Last year, I made $147,000. I am a loan signing agent, mobile notary. I work out here in Arizona. And 3 years ago, I was in a dead-end job, had been for 15 years in the education system, making barely enough to even get by. And I ended up having to sell my house. And I talked to the mobile notary who signed me there, and I asked them to give me the lowdown. And I started researching online, and Mark Wills popped up everywhere. He was on every street. And I liked Mark. I liked his enthusiasm, his exuberance, his encouragement, because I'm an old lady. And for me to change careers in my 60s was frightening. But Mark really, I bought his training. I just was so encouraged by him. He kept me going, even though I was terrified. Boy, I was terrified. But he made me feel like I could do it. I'd get on those lessons, and even though they're recorded, it felt like he talked right to me. He said, you can do this. No matter what your background, no matter what your age, no matter where you are in life, you can do this. And I believed him. I believed him. And so I went through the course, spent about 4 or 5 months. I went over it 3 or 4 times, and then I started to sign up with services. And because I was new and had no experience, that was hard for me. So I took Mark's advice. We live in a small town, and I went right to the title company and introduced myself. It wasn't an hour later, the head of the title company called. She asked me, Tammy, how many signings have you done? I said, I haven't done any. I said, but I'm older. I spent 5 months on a very good training. I won't let you down. 3 years later, I'm still working for them. I'm really blessed, you guys. Anybody out there who's considering taking this plunge, wherever you are, this is a doable market. This is something that you can do. So I want to encourage all of you. I'm a success story. Last year, I made $147,000. And I just want to encourage you. Part-time, full-time, you can make the money. You can do the job. Don't let fear hold you back.